G'day, here's a parcel of low grade material, little pieces of fossil mostly, not a lot of colour, but I'll just put it up to auction I think, see how we go with that. Somebody will get it cheaply I think. Anyway, I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, do a quick tour. One little piece of bright material there, have a little bright green piece poking out. You can see a few little bits of blue, but it's really, there's a few pieces in here that sort of caught my attention. This piece of fossil, got a little red butt colour there. There's this piece that was jumping out at you, but really it's fossils. That looks like it's possibly a Chinaman's hat. Other pieces haven't got a lot of colour, but like I say, it's a beginner's parcel, or if you're just after some fossils, this is what it's really being sold as, specimen pieces. Anyway, I hope that's given you a bit of an idea of what you're getting for your money. Cheers.